This is your sign to ditch your old vacuum and mop to clean up your everyday messes all at once. Introducing Roborock Flexi Pro. This 2-in-1 wonder combines the power of a vacuum and the finesse of a mop. No more bending over backwards to reach those tricky spots under the furniture. With the Flexi Pro's FlatReach Technology, it effortlessly glides beneath low sofas and beds and those annoying crumbs and dirt along the edges of your rooms. The Flexi Pro's edge-to-edge cleaning feature leaves no speck behind side margins of less than 1 millimeter. With an LED screen accessible at your fingertips, you can adjust its cleaning power according to dirt levels on the floor. Other smart features like app compatibility and a substantial 50-minute battery life makes this tool hard to beat. Roborock is the global leader in robot vacuum sales, and when you're done cleaning, the 140-degree hot water and 131-degree heated air will have the mop cleaned and ready for use in just 30 minutes. It's time to focus on details and flex your clean. Get your hands on the Flexi Pro today.